Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change phone number on OneXpert. So let's get started. For that, let's get into any browser and we need to simply search for onexpert.np.com and we get into interface like this and make sure you are logged into it. After that, we need to simply click on menu icon in the bottom right and scroll down to personal profile. So let's tap on that. And here under contacts we can see this. Simply tap on this edit icon. Now click on this edit icon over here and we need to follow these 3 steps. At first we get a code in our phone number, after which we need to enter the code and finally enter the next phone number on which we'll get the new code, and once the verification is done the phone number will be changed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.